My name's Elaine Noble, Curriculum and Training Coordinator for Planning and Development Department. I've looked at certain other municipalities and what they've required for certification and their programs compared to what we require for our staff, and we do require additional certification under our program than the other municipalities. We should be very proud of that our staff are not only educated, certified, but they continue, and they also do additional training outside of what their requirements are for certification, and they do a lot of internal training. So we just give them a lot of credit because the supervisors will come in and they do combination or combo training programs. They have different speakers come in from other areas, other industries that will come in and train, and then they do co-training themselves as well. And a lot of these trainers will do plan review and inspection so that they're all on the same page and they all have the same agreement on the training that they're providing. We do an annual certification review of our program. And so we look at every single position and what the requirements are. Do we need to update that at all? And then we also do a quarterly audit on the certification program just to make sure that everybody's in compliance under our program.
This expertise benefits those working in construction as well. For example, Inspector Chris Headland teaches several classes, including plumbing code.
The more they know, the less mistakes they make. And so I teach at the apprenticeship. I teach a class for anybody that wants to take it. Many of these sites, I've had several of the guys come and take the class and they learn more. The more they know, they're more valuable to their employer, but they make less mistakes. They know me from class. They know me from a different place. And they also know I'm pretty well informed. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna make a call on my opinion or something. They know, because we've been through the code book. They understand what, they know what I know that they know that I know.
As an average person, that you should take away that we do care, the City of Phoenix, our planning and development staff and supervisors, the management team, do care about the service that we provide, and that we do know that it's so important to have safe buildings out there for all of our citizens, whether it's for business, commercial, or residential.
Planning and development staff are dedicated to the safe growth of the city. If you have any questions, you can contact us at phoenix.gov/PDD.